Yeah, perfect.
The green.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's a beautiful Monday today. How is everybody doing this morning? My name is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Let's see what we do today. We're gonna be here. We're gonna be looking at all those things. We're gonna be mute for a little bit because we forgot to eat our breakfast, but we just finished that right now in a couple minutes, and we're gonna be there for the open. So just stay tuned, get ready, and we will see you very soon. All right, we're back. So basically, I would like to look for long here, but like I don't have a clear idea yet. So I know it's kind of late for me to say that, but at the end, it's like I didn't expect SPY to drop about $4, something like that, maybe more. Yeah, a little bit more than that, about $6 from previous high. So SPY to me is looking a little bit toppy right now, so I'm probably gonna have to look for shorts.
It depends. So right now, Davey, I was looking at levels, and 678 seems to be very, very heavy. And when I say heavy, it's heavy. So, and 678 was the pullback this morning. So 678 served as support this morning, but not only this morning. It's definitely has been support before. Now, if it does pop, because we've got competing tape here, if it does pop, it will pop till 680.70. So there's not a whole lot past that one. So we're looking at probably a little bit of a rangy, but there's enough, I believe. Like we're right there at 678, right? So to pull back to 678 and then to pop, definitely a possibility. But if I'm looking at the tape, it looks very, very rangy at the moment.
Marie, I'm 100% agreeing with you about the long. Like you are calling out the long pretty much there, right?
At
Yeah, like
678.
I was looking at the wrong time frame on this. So yeah, basically like 678.59 is the price I have.
Okay.
So
So 678,
right,
if it's
right there, pretty much.
it's pretty much there. I think though that 678 is a possibility just because of. But you're right. When we're looking at 50, 70 in the price action, 678, 70, and 50, there's definitely some volume there. I am going to be looking at some competitor, like some tickets that do react similar to SPY, and just to see.
Did you say that you are trading Nvidia today? Yeah.
No,
No.
I didn't say that, but okay.
So I like a 174.30 on Nvidia, so we can give it a shot and see what it wants to do, if
I
ever
am
it
going to
wants.
look at NVIDIA just for the fun. When we're looking at NVIDIA, surprising enough, not a whole lot of volume. And definitely not a whole lot of the R-vol is not crazy either. So find that funny. I was trading CLSK Friday, and that turned out very good as well. Let me go see NVIDIA. Really, Why is NVIDIA, when we're looking at the map, I know it's not updated, it's the only one red. I
Getting
know.
punished.
Jeez, for what?
Jeez, I don't know why, to be honest, but like
173 NVIDIA long?
I have it at 174 actually, but it's just a little share size because of I doubt it's gonna work. So I want to see how it hold, and if it go down, I am able to add. But like
There we go.
Watch
Yeah, the
out,
big-
we are opening
yeah.
in 3 seconds.
Yeah, there is. Let's have fun.
Nvidia fast and furious toward the downside right now. We may get that entry. Let's see. We might not get that entry actually. So 174. We are trying to go for 174. Let's wait for that candle. I like what I see right now, So I'm gonna add a little bit more to that trade, if ever I get it, for sure. So now I add a little bit more shares to the order because I could be right. So seller for sure, not as aggressive. So, but I'm no, it's not picking me up.
It's not, eh?
You're trading INTC.
Yeah.
We are going for the 174 very soon. We want to go through holding 174.50 quite well right now. Are we going to be able to hold the 174? I'm expecting a yes because at the open, you feel the tug of war at the open there. So I am even front running a bit. There we go. We got that trade immediately. So now we need to hold and. Maybe Marie's gonna be right about the 173. We're gonna see. But I would like it to not print 173, to be honest. So that's why if we go there, I'm gonna be out and then I'm gonna fish another entry. So Maria, any good stories today? No?
No. You're funny. You?
No. I just like to put you in the spot there, but
I love you. You're so sweet.
thank you, Jonathan. Thank you. What? I didn't say Karen.
Oh, God.
All right, this trade is trying to print, Let's see if we're right there. Like, I mean, that's a good entry for now. Is it gonna keep printing? That's the question. Can we go to 178.26? For sure, my guy. the sky is the limit. People that go there never come back. So beautiful. It's exactly what I want to see. What I mean by that, I didn't want to see the pre-market low being printed, and because I didn't want to see that pre-market low being printed, we are just golden here. This thing is going exactly as planned. So of course, like, I can be wrong, that's not for sure. But I think you cannot be wrong by taking partial, my guy. So if you decide to take a partial, there probably you gonna do better. Or you can be breaking even, or you can do a lot of things, you know? Let's be breaking even from the good to go. So if we lose that P&L, we just look for another entry, and it's a free trade. Our
Okay.
first trade, and it's a free trade right now. I'm sorry, I need to eat. I'm starving. So, I'm gonna mute myself for a second. I think I don't want to disrespect anybody. Just like All right, everybody. Let's kill this dinosaur very soon. So, Mary said that today we have Chicago PMI,
Correct. Manufacturing.
manufacturing PMI at 945. Ooh, we are right there. And then we have, ISM manufacturing employment. That's a 10. So, all right. There we go. NVIDIA is gonna give us our first partial. Da 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 da. Wag it down. Wag it up. Do whatever, but give me my partial. Hostia. Por un centavo, tío. Come on. Can you believe that? It went like 176.99.
Incredible, eh?
Yeah, but like okay, don't give me my partial. You wanna play that way? It just means I'm gonna have more money in my pocket. One more night. One more night. Maria, what are you trading at NTC?
Yeah, I'm looking at NTC. I was looking at CLSK as well. Of possibly, but it looks so strong. You know, I'm looking at possibly an entry at the VWAP.
Eventually, we learn to not take a look at the trades, like right now. I feel like if I dream with INTC. There we go. There we go, NVIDIA. That's what you want to do. You want to smoke people at 177, making them believe that there was a quality of the bounce. There is nothing like that for you. You know what you're doing today. You know it. And we are with you, my guy. We are with you. That's a beautiful trade. Just amazing. Look at that trade. Oh my gosh. That's such a good trader.
I love it.
So we are for sure gonna be taking partial there, you know, like now 9:45. There we go. Spike it, check out whatever, do whatever you wanna do. Like right now, the news just came out, I guess. So let's see how good or how bad it is. You know, like does the market care if it's good or bad? No, they just care that there's gonna be liquidity there, you know, and we want to profit on that liquidity. We don't want to profit in the actual number, you know. Who cares about the number? All right, you cannot go broke by taking partial, you know. So 3, 2, 1, push it through. Look at that 77.80, 177.80 looking for. Are you crushing that or not? That tape is so bullish, man, so bullish. There we go. Push it through. Push it through. Okay. 8 R's. We're gonna take just 4 of them, you know, but 8. 8, print 8 and go for it. Hey, you can notice I slept very well yesterday, you know? There we go. No, go for it. A little bit more, a little bit more. This is a crazy trade. There we go.
Nice.
Every day, you know. And of course, I have been trading on Nvidia. Oh, I have to check my PLTR to see if I am out of that thing. Palantir, where are you, Palantir? Look at you, Palantir, but you gave away a lot, my guy. You gave away a lot. So I'm gonna be all out of this trade, you know. There is no reason why to be over welcome. Like that trade is already extended. It can go to Wahoo, and I know that, but like I'm gonna just take it all there.
Look at you. You did sleep well. We've got a double top on SPY. Seems like it wants to break it. The numbers came in. It was hard to hear.
Yeah, I have it here. We got actually 52.2. A little bit higher by a little bit, by 0.003%. So, yeah. So, after that, Nvidia, I don't think it's gonna be short today. So, I don't feel comfortable taking short on Nvidia right now. So,
we've got a complete breakthrough. That top with SPY.
I would like to see Nvidia pushing back down a bit for me to reload the long, but like short, nah. And I don't want to have like monkey brain and then like give away all my profits, so probably I'm okay with not taking more trades, that's for sure. Let's keep it fresh. So, Maria is trading INTC. How are you doing?
I'm trading CLSK.
CLSK right now. Okay, look at you. Bitcoin things. I went to look at Bitcoin this weekend. Some of the paperwork I have to do was related to cryptocurrency. So I have to look at Bitcoin. So what did I say? What CLSK. So okay, CLSK. What are you looking for in there?
Long.
Long. Okay. Looking like to me for. Oh my gosh, Palantir, what did you do? Okay. So there are more news coming out at 10 o'clock. I'm probably gonna wait for that to take a trade, but right now I don't see why I shouldn't be going short somewhere else. And no CLSK. CLSK is looking long to me as well. So if I want to look for a short, Tesla is quite sleepy right now. So I'm gonna take a look at the tapes. The tape on Nvidia seems to stay bullish for good. So and we had that confirmation for the open. Like you know, I did something today that is relevant, but I don't do it every day.
Okay.
And what I did is like I was looking at the print at the open for NVDA, and yes, we did flush a bit. But sellers since the open have been not in control. Like sellers are not in control of the stock at all. So Like at the open, you saw the fight. They were fighting for it, unable to move the price anywhere, like until they ease a bit. Then it flush a bit, and then the rest is history. You know. Let's go for it. Nvidia wants to go back to all-time high very soon. Very soon. They just got punished because of whatever. You know, I don't want to talk about it. Oh no, yeah, it's true. It's like, you know, political shit. Oh, we were not seeing you correctly?
I don't think I would think.
Oh no, what are you gonna do now?
Oh, SPY. So 680, 70, that is a little bit of a...
I wouldn't be surprised if SPY filled up the whole gap, but like if you look at SPY right now, it's a gap, massive gap from 679 to 660, 683, about $4 gap. Nvidia's tape just got clear up, like that's not good for the long. So I say I don't have a very clear short idea, but I would like to look for a short. It's just it's not there yet. So if we look at SPY,
$681.90. Do you remember that for SPY?
yeah, I have the little suspicion like that it will, like I actually have 679. Can you repeat the price?
We've got 681.90.
Okay, that's the one I have at 74. Like yeah, we have a like 13 cents difference, something like that.
Okay.
Maybe more, but no more than 20. Okay, so but I don't want to jinx it, you know. But like I think he wants to go to 683.50. If anybody is feeling like doing bets here, you know, some lady there, you know.
So what did you say?
I think SPY is gonna go to 683.50. Yeah, from the analysis I have done this weekend and all the like, yes, I'm doing very good in trading, but I'm giving away a lot of profit. So like days like today, that's why I'm hesitating to take another trade, because it's like just if you keep more daily, it's gonna make a bigger difference. You know, like I'm trying to be like optimize it and like whatever, but I'm really not good at it. So like I think if I develop like this process is so weird, but like maybe you and I gonna have to go through that in the whiteboard, but like and like you will have to do the exercise for you to feel the same, but maybe you have the same memory in that matter. And it's like this trade I took here on Nvidia, for example, the mentality I had when I took that trade was more agile and reactive than any trade I take after 10:30. So then like at 11 or something, you're gonna hear me saying like, oh, this I'm willing to hold and blah blah blah, and then I say, man, like, but taking partial here and there, you make way more money. So like, why are you like, yes, I'm still right in the mentality of holding, but like what I mean, that's how I give away a lot of profit too.
Correct. Very well said.
And that's why I say like we have to do like a confrontation or a analysis of what is the mentality that we have when the market open, and what is the mentality we have when you are like 11:30, 10:30 Like, do you have the same mentality? I know the answer for me is a clear no. I don't.
It's a clear no, me too.
Yeah, and
I
like
would have to say.
I think that one of the two mentality is more effective in trading, day trading at least. But that's why I say, but yeah, this may go up to Wahoo, but like, yeah.
Okay, look at you go. Let's go. Okay, so it should be
CLSK?
getting. No, no, no. Yeah, that's not bad. But I'm looking at SPY. So right now, SPY is approaching. That's
You didn't say now nothing about the 683 because I interrupt you. I know. I'm sorry, but I know you were looking at it.
I was looking at it. No, I believe that you're correct.
You wanna know what is my take in there? Like this is gonna be useful in the long term for you.
Okay.
Like, look at this spectrum here. So this is weird, but it's a regular basis thing. And whenever I see it, like this was where SPY was, in that red line here.
Okay. Wait.
No, don't worry, take your time.
Okay.
This thing is not going away. Like just take your time. Like this thing is not going
Wait.
anywhere.
Yeah. I am having.
Technical issues.
Yes, and that's okay now.
Okay.
So what were you saying?
Yeah, you see like this level here, this level down here. Like
Yeah.
this in this screen. This is where we came from. So this line was like there, but you see how little that little volume that is put in there. That's from the since the open. So we came from here. That little dot that you see before the line here, all those they are just from today. It's very little, equal, and you just keep going poop poop. So like normally, what you see that here we have the difference. Like
So you're saying that at that pullback up there.
it just fill up the whole thing.
Okay.
Like what I'm saying here.
But what's that red line that's on top when it started to lose some?
That was a previous level.
No, on top. Top, go up, up.
Here,
Yeah, that one.
that one was a level from Friday.
And what is that one?
683.50.
Okay, so that's the one that
That's the
you're
one I
saying.
think is gonna go. But
Okay.
the reason why I think it's gonna go is because like this line was just one, and now you see how it's forming there. So you have been putting like a very little amount of volume, but consistent.
Okay.
So I have seen that happening time after time. That whenever it fill up like more than 4 of these, it will complete the whole level.
Okay. Oh.
So it's a weird thing, but like seems to be reliable. All right.
$48.7 previous.
Mm-hmm.
49 is expected, but it didn't come in yet. Oh, 48.2.
That's no bueno, amigo.
No bueno. 49 was forecast, and last time was 48. So,
Like that CLSK, if you're willing to go back in somewhere else, like that seems to be like not the best price. It looks like a loan, but not the best price probably. I mean, I don't know what price you have. I'm not talking about your price. I'm talking
No,
about the price that it is
I
right
don't
now.
know if I'm.
I'm gonna be very picky probably. I would like to retake Nvidia, but I would like to retake it at a price that I am certain. Like this price is good, so it's gonna be tricky, but like we can do for sure the analysis. So probably I should trade that train the simulator. I don't know. Like
I took.
I have a long time without taking
I took
simulator. but
PSLV LV
in the simulator.
in the sim, just to see what I can do with that one.
Yeah, because I don't want to mess
But,
up the profit, so it's a matter of consistency. Forget about how much, forget about what it is, just consistency. If you do the same every day, you know.
Mm-hmm.
One more night. One more night. Oh yeah. So this is my trade on Nvidia. I'm probably done for the day, but I'm gonna stay here. I will try to take it somewhere else, but like right now I make good money there, so I don't want to I don't want to mess it up. Though I can buy like maybe a quarter of size somewhere. Right now the 400 moving average is really acting as a level of resistance, so I bought it right here. And I take a partial, then I see what was going on there, so I got out completely. But this can go way higher. It's just like it's good to be out there too. So
Where do you see Nvidia go? Nvidia.
Nvidia, if I judge that, so let's see. Yeah, at least to 179, 179, 179.72.
Okay.
All right, so that's a big level right there. The number was worse than expected. The last one.
Yes.
Yes, it was. I actually have the line there yet at 179.72. It seems to be the same price action that we are willing to go for. It's almost hard to resist. Well, do you like? Yeah, it's okay.
Hmm? Would you what? Talk to me.
Do you have an overall short idea or not?
The overall, sad to say, what I was looking at was actually a Nvidia looked toppy.
It does, and the tape have changed a lot,
Mm-hmm.
like a lot. So I'm gonna give it a shot.
But what I
Marie
don't
say
like,
exactly what it was.
that's what you were talking about. But it's just that position at 179 worries me.
So 179.72. All right. Order is in. Whatever that happened, happened. I'm gonna front run it by 2 cents. Let's be funny. The price is 179.72. I'm gonna go 179.70.
Oh.
There is a high chance that it won't get there, but it's already bleeding enough. But let's be ready for the unexpected. Yeah, discipline means you don't get ahead. Remember, you have nothing to lose if you don't even get it, so it's okay. Oh no, I was going to jump. Which is okay, that's a price that jump is justifiable.
Mm-hmm.
But we have more options than two, so jump, no jump, and just wait. Which is similar to no jump, but we're still gonna take the trade, so. If ever we are right. One more night. One more night. Yeah, like the way that thing is going there is exactly why I don't want to jump.
Okay.
Like right now, I will be taking heat and saying like, yeah, it was probably a good price, but the heat was unavoidable. So
How many hours did you sleep?
it wasn't too many, but it was good sleep. And like today, for example, I have already been like lagging of water, so I have to hydrate myself enough. That seems to be major thing. I'm sorry for anybody out there. I am an ignorant in those things. So, um, like I have a tendency to forget for long periods of time that I need to drink water. But like that, I don't know how much it affects me until I start not missing hydration.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like I guess it's like a battery. Like whenever the acid go low, it's like or the liquid inside the battery go low, like the energy doesn't last anything. So
It's actually, yeah, when the acid goes up.
yeah, the acidity go up, but like the liquid go down. That's why the acidity is higher. But like,
Correcto.
look at you, pretty good stuff, huh? Yeah, but yeah, that's good. Good, all good.
It's all good.
One more night. I think Nvidia reached its top. Unfortunately. Right, so I'm gonna start loading Nvidia, but
We've got a little.
I'm gonna be as patient as possible. That means I will go like right now I have little shares. So if he move against me, I'm gonna add again little shares,
Okay.
and I will expect the unexpected here. So it's not looking like if he wants to go somewhere else. SPY have major candles toward the downside.
RSI pull here.
I don't want it to go down with the lighter amount of shares, but like if that's what I get, that's what I get. I don't want to have a bad price. Let's not compromise that. Yeah, it's like SPY, you say?
Mm-hmm.
But did you see like in the last 15 minutes, SPY looks like so downward, like it's like
Mm-hmm.
concerning. You wanna play with fire? So this Nvidia trade is supposed to be an easy trade. So right now we are going short. We were going long. We were going like now we are just trying to catch the move in the opposite direction. And yeah, let's see how we do. I don't have big expectations because my price haven't been offered yet. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what it wants to do. There seems to be more blood in the street, so or more downside if you wanna call it like that. It's just are we going to be able to invalidate what happened at the open with Nvidia? Basically, that will come into place if we print back 174.76. But let's remember that we are about $4 above. So that means that I made $4 going up and I'm gonna make $4 going down. But let's see. Right now it's kind of dead there, you know. SPY is really looking weird, and the tape is very mixed feelings right now. I don't look at that tape as bullish as previously, though we have hop move possibilities. So yeah, let's see. It is going to print my price.
How's that Nvidia looking?
Right now it's trying to go higher.
Okay.
And that's
I was going to say, SPY seems to.
but I'm gonna hold my stuff together here because like the tape really changed on Nvidia.
Mm-hmm.
So because the tape really changed, what I'm saying here, I don't think we're gonna be able to print 179.72. Though when it moved in the previous candle, I kind of doubt it. But yeah, this is the type of thing that I kind of don't like doing. Like for example, I know I don't have the price I want, and it's by a lot actually. It's by more than $1. So
Okay.
I add, and I add responsibly because the way I add, it was moving against me, and I say it's just like still put in question the fact that hey, you know what, this thing may go higher, but SPY is looking like not like that. So we're gonna see. SPY is what is making me jump the trigger there because SPY is looking bearish right now, quite bearish I will say. So we went away a little bit too much from the 200 moving average in the 1 minute, in the 5 minutes, sorry. So one more night. One more night. I don't know. We have to be able to survive certain volatility, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like, to let the trade move against me is totally okay. It's just, Like, look at how congested is the tape right here between the 170, right before the 79, and right after too. So I have little hopes that we're gonna go through that because we're gonna need like a massive participation toward the upside. I wouldn't say that it cannot happen, but like it's unlikely to go through the 179.50. But still, 179.50 is far enough that, baby, what are you doing in that trade?
We could have a reaction
Well, I
too,
like to be
right?
hard-headed.
Hmm?
Yeah. What reaction to what?
What are you looking at?
No, I say I like to be hard-headed too.
Ah,
When you say we could be getting a reaction of what? Just in case.
to spy at the VWAP.
Got it. I don't have much hopes on that one.
Okay.
The reason for that is because the selling is too long right now. So we have literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have been selling for the last 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Those candles that we see on Nvidia, yeah?
¿Tú tienes crema?
Yes, we do. Just give me a second.
Oh no, it's okay.
It's right
If
here.
it's
No,
not,
it's right here.
that's
Right, we are back. So yeah, like take as much as you need. Normally put a lot to not have to put like 20 times.
yeah, right. Well, you don't know, eh? Like I'm not.
And it's just because of the weather, like weather changing
Oh.
now, we get all those dryness.
It's so
too
dry.
dry.
It's so dry. I agree. I've got very.
One more night. Yeah, I was going to say, you see those candles there on the top of Nvidia?
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I see those candles, and they normally show up at the top, like very rarely I see them in the bottom.
Okay.
But those candles are like very toppy and like maybe I don't want to put too much odds in that favor, like but like it's really like the top. It looks like top in there. Marie say it, I say it, and now I am more convinced. And the tape say it too. Like I mean, look how the buyers show up now, even lower and lower. Why? Because they know the price can go there. And we are talking about 177. So yeah, let's see what happens. Whatever happens, we're gonna be here to take the loss or the win.
Okay, so SPY right now is at the 200 in the 1 minute.
Not Nvidia, you don't scare me. That's something you are not able to do anymore. Yeah.
You're not gonna scare me?
No. Or you punch me for real? Or you
Walk!
away. Stop bugging. I'm not reacting to your smoke. And like, how many times do you get out because you think that the trade is not gonna work, and then it's like, oh, he didn't even get to my stop loss.
That was good coffee.
I always make good coffee, Marie.
Hmm? It's what?
I always make good coffee, Marie. I'm kidding. It's not true.
That's, well, I would have to say, most of the time it is true.
Yeah.
So, it
But
could
when
be
it's
good.
not, it's
It
not my
could be
fault,
close, yeah. So you're not, of course it's not your fault.
It's the coffee.
It's a coffee. It's the coffee. I agree. There's some that are.
Spy didn't hold the view up.
Wow.
So,
When we're looking, so it's the opposite of last week. Remember when we were talking about the sector map? So last week we're talking the sector
Yeah.
map. Everything was green except NVIDIA was red. Now everything is red except NVIDIA is green. So it's quite funny.
yeah.
Some, of course, when we're looking at red, we're saying really red. AMD is barely 0.01, MU 0.12, Oracle 0.2.
Okay.
So it's not crazy red, but yeah, it's funny that. Okay, there's definitely consolidation at 679.80, and it seems to be a consolidation as well. Okay, we will see what is going to go there. Is that going to be a pullback to pump or pullback to flush? Okay, tape is flipping, acceleration. I'm not sure about your tape. How's your tape looking?
For for NVIDIA? Congested toward the upside, but doesn't look like a short yet.
Okay.
Like we might print 178 apparently, but far from there yet.
Okay.
So all the sizes are at the ask. So I will assume that it's a long tape. But as I say, if it is a long tape, it's gonna be very painful through that long because it's gonna be slow down the road. Oh my gosh. You guys wanting to print 179 one more time? For some reason, somebody's from running them with a quite heavy size. I will say he's from running 80s, 178, 80, 178, 70, 75, 74. We are printing lower, and right now let's look at that print. I know the sizes are at the offer right now, so we want to see tape seems to be looking to break through. So 179 quite heavy right now, so the 178 just seems to be fooling itself. So right now, what are we doing? So let's see. 179, 179 again. All right, you got ping pong from the 79 to the 78.90s. So the print is a little bit too heavy. I'm able to read it. It's so fast that it's just like flying through.
Really,
so, okay, there we go. We got a heavy bit there, and we are holding good. And we are holding good. 97, 99, 94, 93. Okay, we are dipping a bit, but not by a lot. So who is in control here? Let's see. We know that from the opening have been the buyers. So 93, probably if we lose the 80s is another story, but we haven't been even testing that. So we are printing 94, 94, 94, 94, 97, okay, 97, 98, 93. Okay, we are little flushy, but at the same time we are pushing through. So This is a fighting zone right now. So 178.97. Let's see what you want to do, my guy. What you really want to do. All right, the sizes are still at the ask. So, and the ask is not being lifted. Those offers are not being lifted, but the bid as well either. I mean, so 97. There we go. 90. Okay. Only once we print above 179, we went to the 178.80s. So let's see now. This seems to be like a legit turning point for NVDA for today, or for now, at least for the next hour probably. 97. But we go back and print. What happened when we print above 79? There is a lot selling above 79. So 79, 78.80. One more time, and this time they didn't even let it go to. So that's it. BS down. So that's a strong statement, but like. I have a good grasp of the print normally, and I don't think I will see it printing 179 one more time. Maybe you can wag it there, but like they are getting wagged before printing higher prints, higher numbers, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, like printing 80, nobody buying at 80s, nobody buying at 76, nobody buying at 70 even. So there we go, there we go. Patience is something that seems to be useful in trading, you know.
Patient is a virtue?
I don't like saying that, you know, but like, yes, it is. But I don't like saying that. My
Why?
dad, like, well, it's actually my uncle, but like, it's like my dad because I leave half of my life with him before I was like 18, maybe 20. So, but yeah, he always say that, and like to me, it's like maybe you are too patient, you know. So
He said to you, you're too patient?
no. He was educating us for us to be very patient,
Okay.
and he always say that being patient is a virtue, and I always disagree with that because it's just you know.
It's not a virtue.
It's not my type of thing. I think sometimes you are too patient and you're waiting for things to come to your life because you're too patient. Instead of you grabbing the bull by the horn and
You're
say,
not
yeah, I'm gonna solve it now because it needs to be solved now.
It's
No,
not proactive enough.
let's see. Tomorrow we should be like maybe tomorrow the weather is like that for us to do that. I don't do good with that. So
True. I believe that.
you believe that?
No, it's true. Like a lot of times.
I know you do. It's just the way
No,
you
I
say it.
believe that you are like that. I agree because so many times things would stop individuals by saying, "Oh, hey, you know what? There's weather. You can't do this, or there's this. You can't do that." Dave says, "Well, no, and you know, I'm not made of chocolate. What you talking about? You know, no, we're gonna do it anyways." Or you're not stopped or held back by much. That's what I meant.
Yeah, what I find there is the mentality. Like, if you commit yourself, like this is in a book that I don't remember which book right now, but like, it could be anywhere, you know, like, and like the book is relevant. The saying is like, if you commit yourself that every time that you're gonna pass through a lake that is beside your place, every time that you pass, you're gonna throw a rock. And like one day you pass
felt
by
that lake?
and you forgot to throw the rock. Like, if you don't have the commitment of coming back and throwing the rock, like why you just didn't throw all the rocks at the beginning or at the end, you know? It's like, it's not the same, you know? It's like, look at this guy. But yeah, so it's like, yeah. If you can find excuses to not put sugar in your coffee, you can find excuses for anything. And that's what I don't like. Like, I mean, I have to hold myself accountable for anything. So, like, if I don't trust myself, I don't trust myself. So, I don't know if you know what I mean. It's like, if you can skip something because you feel like lagging, then you can skip anything because life will give you justification to miss anything. You're funny. So I will see this guy printing 179, 72, and then it's gonna be not funny. What a maneuver they put right there, you know? Though SPY is not cooperating, so I'm gonna keep reading the print because want to make sure I have an idea here of what I'm doing or not. Like the tape doesn't look that bad right
When
now.
we're looking at the open at 9:30, and I've got a very strong level here that's almost 678, 678.80. Is that possible?
Let me look at it. 678.
So it's pretty much the 200 EMA in the 1 minute.
Yeah, I have 678.60.
Okay.
Which right now might be different. Let's see. Yeah, 678.50. Seems to be legit. But don't you have 679.26 holding before?
679.20.
Yeah. There is a heavy print on Nvidia at 180. I have kind of a long time without seeing those prints.
Okay, so SPY should be right now, next stop, 681. Did you have any news for next Tuesday?
What is next Tuesday?
Wait, not next Tuesday. In 2 weeks. That's right.
Not yet. No.
No.
Why I don't believe on that. What do you have as a trade?
INTC.
INTC long. Nice.
You've got 2 position?
One. This one only.
Ah, okay, yeah. Okay.
I'm being a bit stubborn here, but like I just think I'm right, you know.
Did your tape flip?
It's flippy. Like right now, it's looking long shorts. Like for example, like I'm gonna explain that a little bit better. Here we seems to be wanting to bring 180, 180, like 180.10 and things like that. But like then we have 178. So we are like the prices are too close, but it's like probably competing volume for what we normally say. So, but on we have Arca quite bullish and INET bullish but congested. So yeah, I kind of
The RSI on SPY just popped there.
I don't have a clear picture of the tape on Nvidia right now. Though I can probably say yes, it's looking more bullish than bearish. So that's against my trade. But the print is kind of weak. So that's why I say like you guys are saying whatever you're saying there, which is okay. But the print is not saying that what you are looking here is doable.
Okay.
So yeah, like how come the print is like 30 cents below if you guys are so willing to push it there? So I know the guy just did that at 179 and he did a good job, I guess. But he wasn't able to check me out because this is the way I play this thing right now, and it seems to pay better, so I'm okay with that. So the tape, as I say, I think I clarified there. It's like it's confusing. It is like long. If I have to give favor to the tape right now, I would say it is a long. But I have problems believing on that. Like Nasdaq, I know Nasdaq is trying to push higher. But I'm putting a lot of weights on SPY too. Like, I mean...
681.
Like, the only unfortunate things here in Nvidia is that I wasn't disciplined enough to wait for that price. That was the original price I wanted to get. And I didn't wait enough. And I got holding here little by little, but yeah, I'm not concerned about it. You will have to do magic for it to really blow me off.
Okay.
30 minutes later, magic just happened. One more night. So I'm gonna mute myself for a little bit. I have to work on something else right now, but I'm gonna be here. All right, so I still have my NVIDIA trade here, and I don't know if you saw what SPY did, but did you see that push? It's an amazing push. So I have problem believing that that's gonna be legit, but I don't have to be too stubborn either. So like the 180 was selling a lot, and right now we are still congested at the 180. So is it gonna repeat the same maneuver than previously, where the tape was congested and it was able to crush it? So now SPY is saying that there is a higher probability of that happening, but we are at the extreme 2 on SPY. So the extreme 2.
Well, weren't you saying earlier that SPY was going to
fill up the gap? Yes.
And that it was going to actually go to 683.50, and then we both agreed.
Yes.
Okay.
What is the hiccup here? There is a hiccup in there.
Okay.
And the hiccup in there is like, for example, if we are talking just about NVIDIA, like, look how I had the line here. Like, this is a very relevant price. I didn't wait for that price. I agree with that.
Okay.
So I am taking more risk in there than what I'm supposed to be taking. Just
You're not on. We're not on, are we?
We have been on. The camera we're not on, but we have been on.
Okay.
I just forgot to put the camera back.
Sounds good.
So yeah, my bad. But like, you guys were able to hear us.
Good.
So basically, I was saying that yeah, like this is looking like this is a price for NVIDIA that is very relevant to me, and like it is reacting exactly the way I want to see it reacting for me to keep my short. So that's legit in there for me.
Okay.
But then when we look at the SPY, yes, I was looking for a SPY to go to 183.50, but like from the 181.75, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, it set off a little bit too much. Like, are you kidding me? Like, it went the whole range toward the downside, then it pushed it back up in 2 candles. And now I will be expecting a SPY to hold good there. Probably the answer to that needs to be a yes. But I'm skeptical, you know. Like, I mean, this to me.
682.50. There's a position at 682.20.
Mm-hmm.
That's a level that's been there forever.
I have that line.
Yeah, 682.20.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, at 682.20, we've had that level forever in SPY. So 682.20 has served as resistance as well as support. So it could today get to 682.20 and then serve as support. I'm not sure at the moment. We do have interest in both. We do have a big position at 680.70, and 680.70 is very close to the 50 EMA. And SPY today seems to have reacted well to it. If we're looking pre-market and post-market or after the opening, it seems like it's been reacting well to those levels. So we will see what's going to happen. Of course, it did do a top there at the 681.80 that we had previously said that it was a possibility, but it seems to have enough interest at this moment, though we are, and it's normal, right, that we would have a little bit of consolidation. It seems like we do have enough participation to possibly push it to 682.20.
Okay, so listening to what you say there, I just don't know if this have any relevant to you. Does the fact that the tapes are so flippy at those tops give you a hint or anything?
Oh, for sure. Like, we know that's a like, we've seen it there. That's been a resistance. And if we're looking at SPY, let's just go look at SPY. So when we're looking at SPY, it wasn't far away. We're talking at the beginning of the month where that level was support. So, hey, is it possible? You bet it's possible. You know, that, like you said earlier, it was quite a pullback from Friday, right? And we believed that there was possibly enough to fill that gap. So, is it possible that it's going to fill that gap? I believe there's definitely a possibility there.
Like one of the big problems I see in there
Mm-hmm.
is like this is very like delusional probably. Like we have the little feeling that the price action have been like manipulative or manipulated. So what comes with that? The fact that we don't know if it's toward the upside or toward the downside. So right now, like when I look at SPY and I say, well, this is not a pullback. Like that's more than a pullback from the high that it put at the open.
Mm-hmm.
So where is the direction here? If is this slightly tilted toward the long? But that might just misguiding, Like I mean, look, we find resistance at the same price. So what is telling me that what can tell me that when we go to 682.20, we won't find resistance there? Well, right now nothing. Like,
Well,
yes.
we've got a big position. So when we're looking, yes, technically you are correct. But when we're looking at the tape, we've got a position at 20. We've got a position at 26. We've got a position at 35. We've got a position at 40. We got a position at 42 and 50.
Congested.
So congested there, but it could be enough to push. When we're looking at the RSI seems to be doing the same thing. So right now, to Davy's point, when we're looking at SPY, it's almost flat, right?
Yeah,
0.25.
It's
But
scratchy.
yeah, it's a head scratchy, but when we're looking at the print, and we're looking at the print on SPY, and we're looking at a SPY itself,
So, Marie, we're gonna take a little break if you don't mind.
absolutely not.
So we're
I
gonna
would
be
agree with
back
that.
in a bit. Be safe, enjoy your trade. We're gonna be back in a couple of minutes. All right, we are back. So as I was saying to Marie, like first time in a long time that I see a double top reliable right now. So SPY doing that double top there, and yeah, Marie was able to call it out with the sizes right above that he didn't even want it to test it. Look at Nvidia getting the ask all pull out. So I'm glad I hold in there, but we're gonna have to wait and see how deep the hole is. All right, so things I have to do. I have to make that list.
Oh.
Oh no, I told you before Christmas I have a lot of things to do. But they are not rushing. It's just
No?
little things that you want to make sure you don't forget.
I like that.
Yeah. One more night.
And what are your levels for?
For Nvidia?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had a very clear level on Nvidia, and actually, like I mean, it's just like that will be a huge trade if I was patient. But whatever. So my clear level right now on Nvidia is at 170, 174.29.
Okay.
So that's why I say that's like about $4 below. So I don't expect it to go all the way down there. Probably we can have some resisting toward the downside or support, whatever you want to call it. At 176 or 176.50, I think it is. Yeah, 176 or 176.50. I think in there we may hold, but we have to wait for it to get there because we are far from there yet. And yeah, I know it doesn't look like if he wants to get there, like, but let's see. This market is really, really weird. What about yours? You're long on
INTC. Are you buying a suit?
You know what is a funny question? That's gonna break your head.
That's what you were thinking about?
First, yes, it's exactly what I was thinking about. But you know why I was thinking about? Because Bloody before we go to bed yesterday, she say, "I think you should tell Marie to go with you. Don't you want Marie to go with you?" And I say, "I think I don't want Marie to go with me." Like it's actually something I have to think about, but might be a good idea, might not be a good idea. But yes. You are in touch today. Look at you. Thanks. So cool. RSP. Okay. Perfect. So, what else? What else? What
And
else?
why wouldn't you want me to go?
You know how I am about shopping. It's not about you going with me. The problem is not you going with me. I would love that you go with me. It's just the way I shop. It's just like I will go. Like, I'm pretty probably I will know what I want to get even before getting there, and it's like okay, straightforward. This one and this one. That's it.
And what's wrong with that?
That if I go with you, you will say this one looks better or this one looks better, and this is why I would normally bring you for you to give me your opinion.
Yeah.
And then
Okay, I'm still confused.
And then that shopping is not Davy shopping. It's not like it's no quick, fast, efficient. It's you know.
Talk to Joe. Talk to Joe and tell him anytime all of his suit I bought, all of them I bought, all of them. He's had the best compliment for them,
I have seen him in his suits. It's amazing.
but all of them, I think at the big max, with all of it, shoes, blah 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 blah. If it took an hour, even an hour is a lot.
Alright, okay.
No, it's not the same thing, right? Like you've got to. I've been shopping for guys
All right.
for a long time.
I think it's gonna be a new experience. So due to the fact that it might be a new experience, I think I'm gonna accept going with you and like let's go together.
Okay.
But I don't have anything against you going with me. You know, it's just like I tell you, I need a shoes and I know ahead what shoes I'm gonna get. Let's say, like normally. And
Oh, you do know?
I go whenever and if I don't have a choice, like when I go there, I don't have indecisions. If this is one I can use, I grab them and I'm out. I hate shopping with passion. So I don't hate anything. It's just I do not enjoy shopping. So in Spanish we will say tacaño or whatever, or like I am like that. I don't like to.
It's a what?
In Spanish, the word is tacaño. It's like a person that doesn't like to spend his money. Though I don't
cheap.
have any money. Not cheap. It's
No, not barato.
cheap and barato, yeah.
Sí, sí.
It's let's see how you say that in English.
Savvy?
No, it's because it's not. It's I think it's not even a compliment. Let's say. Translate.
It doesn't seem like a compliment.
It's not a compliment. That's what I mean. Savvy seems to be like a compliment. You are savvy with the way you spend your money, right? In this one, it's like, oh, you have a lot to spend, or you have enough to spend, and you decide to not spend because you don't want to spend your money. Let's see. Oy. That's not the right traduction.
Well, say then, no, put it like that again, and say with
something else.
No, with the con dinero. See, stingy.
Stingy.
There we go.
That's
See,
it?
Yeah, stingy. You're
Like,
stingy.
Like they may fall. Like even my mom may fall. Like she said that I may fall from a building, and if I fall from the building and I hit the floor with my elbow, the floor will break. Like because the way you say like signaling is like you are like this, hard. So.
Oh.
As I say, I don't care. I used to have a boss that he really trashed me on that one.
He would laugh at you?
No, he trashed me on that one. He talked to everybody. He said like, I think he said something like if I was miserable or something like that. I was not miserable. I was just not wasting my money.
Stingy. See?
This is funny, but
I would have said more savvy than stingy. But obviously, your family knows better than I would. I'm just a Canadian family, but your Dominican family would know you better. I would have said more savvy than stingy. But
I have 2 belts for my pants. 2 belts. I don't care. You know, like they looks good. They are working. You know how many years I have with them?
I'm afraid to ask.
19.
No, you're not. No,
19 years
because
with those belts, and they are the same.
it's very similar to Joe. Like Joe, when he needs to buy clothes, like you'd think that the oceans are parting. But when he buys clothes, he buys good stuff.
Oh yeah,
Unless
I
that
don't
it's
even
for
buy
working
them. My
or-
parents gave them to me when I was a teenager, so. And they are
Yeah,
as
Larry, I accept your challenge of going with them. I think I should be going. And really, for her, I think it's more of, yeah, no, I don't want to deal with the stingy. But,
Oh no! Like because normally, like she wasn't, like she was aware that I am not going with her. Like in her head, I was going alone.
Okay.
But then she say, "Oh, because it's a special occasion, would you like to bring Marie with you?" And like Marie have good suggestion and things like that. But she wasn't part of the equation there. As I am going.
Okay.
Yeah, that's for sure. But not for anything bad. She just know what I mean. Like she know me. So, but yeah, whatever.
Yep, we would like to. Yeah, I would go. Oh, you bet. And we can put timers on it that the max is 1 hour.
I think
After
that
that, the pumpkin, your carriage chariot turns into a pumpkin and you need to get home. It's an hour pumpkin.
Oh no! If we like, I can relax. I'm able to do that. It's just like
Shopping?
no, I'm able to relax. Like with her, it's hard to do shopping with me because the responsibility is on me. Like for example, and this is funny, but like yeah, we are not talking anything wrong about anybody, but yeah, it's just like my wife, like she will say like which one of those two t-shirts looks better, and let's say they are similar, let's say both of them are looking good. She will try to force me to say which one is best. And then if I say one or the other, then she will argue with me and say like, "Oh, but I think I like more this one because of this or because of that." And then I say like, "Okay, it's okay." So when that happened like 10 times during shopping, like then I don't know what to do. So my brain is so freaking confused that it's like if I say that, she might choose that one. If
Well,
I say this, so
okay, so that you know.
in my case, if you say, "Look, that one doesn't look good," even if I like it. Like I can say, okay, you know, that's why you are there. Like you may have better eyes than me, and blah blah blah. Or if I like it so much that I won't, I like,
You're gonna
I
buy
like
it
this one,
anyway.
I'm gonna buy it anyways, you know. But like
Absolutely.
it's crystal clear. You don't see like the decision is not yours. I don't give you the yeah, but tell me which one. Tell me which one of the two do I get? No, I don't know. It's the thing that you're gonna use, you know.
Yeah,
So-
these are my two favorites, and that's what you're going to do.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you know, between husbands and wife, like they get mad if you don't say. If you don't say
No,
it
for me,
correctly.
I've been lucky because I've been shopping with my aunt or shopping
Yeah,
with my
you have told me the stories about
yeah,
you
shopping with
your-
my aunt or shopping with my husband. I really, really appreciate the fact that people are honest because that's why you want to bring. Like, it's a whole lot longer when you bring somebody than if you go on your own. Because if you go on your own, hey, it's your call. So if you start asking opinion to other people, well, then it can get a little convoluted and blah, blah, blah. But with my aunt, I love shopping with her because she'll say it like it is. She says, I know you really like it, but it looks crap on you.
You know, Noelia?
So I think that that's good.
Yeah, for sure.
You need to be honest.
And like for example, that's why I was like, that's why I said like Noelia. Like for example, I used to enjoy, and maybe today I will still enjoy going shopping with Noelia.
Oh, nice.
Like why? Straightforward. You are a little bit like that too, I guess. But like what I'm saying is like it was easy, you know. So I used to go shopping with her a lot when we were like I was between below 20, maybe above 18.
Okay.
And she was already an adult. She had a job and things like that, and she used to go for nice clothes and things. So She liked to bring me because I had like straightforward comments, like the same thing you're saying. But it was easy for both because we are like both like kind of very logical, like logic oriented. It's like it's your thing. You know, I give you my opinion, but it's you who choose.
Absolutely.
So
Because sometimes I would go with my husband and he would say, well, you know what? I don't like this. And I'd ask him, well, why? It's not sexy enough. Well, it's for meetings with executive. So I appreciate that you would like to see more cleavage, but
yeah, it's not for the occasions.
it's not for the occasion. It's not for going out with you. It's to be at a high stake meeting. So thank you for saying that. No, the color looks great. It fits you well, but it's a little too high cut. Perfect. Thank you. I'll take it.
Yeah.
You know, so it depends on the occasion, right? But the honesty is so important.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, it looks great on you, but
yeah, for somebody that look at you looking like crap, better I tell you.
Right? And the colors too, right? It's important.
Yeah. In this occasion, we have to make sure that we know it's a thing that I will use once. In the maybe next 2 years, 3 years even.
You say. It's going to be twice.
Yeah, but yeah.
So at least twice.
It's gonna take another more year.
Yeah, it might be
So
twice.
if I have bigger
hey, you
muscles
never
by
know.
there,
You may
I won't be able to fit in there. And I'm working on that.
I agree, but that means that doesn't mean that it's not something that you're not able to adjust.
All right.
Right?
We will figure it
Yeah,
out.
you will figure it out. We will.
All right, so ready to wrap it up? I'm ready to
Absolutely.
wrap it up. I have a couple more things to do before I leave here. So let's see what we do. So today has been a fantastic day for my trading. I know I have been taking hit on Amazon, on NVDA. So my subconscious is really agile right now. I have to watch out what I say. Yeah, whatever. So I took a loan on Nvidia right here, like basically from here to here. That was about 10 hours at least. So then I shorted here little by little down the hole. That thing, like the actual price I wanted to get for NVDA was this price. I wasn't patient at all. So, and I am paying the price for that, you know, like I took heat here and I am taking some heat right now. But in my head, this thing needs to flush a little bit lower for a little bit. Yeah, longer term, we are going down. Yeah, whatever. So Nvidia needs to go down, in my opinion. Whatever, just like to 174, something like that. So
Okay.
take that with a big chunk of salt, because at the open, the buyers and the seller were fighting intensively, and the buyers were under control. So more than that, as I say, very green day today. Can be like I can probably say, hey, get me out the break even here, and let's call it that day, and blah blah blah.
Do you see any big positions on the tape, Davey?
Toward the downside, unfortunately, no.
Okay.
The problem I see with that tape is that tape have been very smoky at the top. Like the tape is flipping and flipping, and for example, we had big participation at 180, and that's where we went, 180, and then it's like everybody have been trying to sell high but below 180. Like for example, if I give you like 197.80 was a case, 197.60 was a case, but look at this one right now, it's trying to sell at 179.15, 500 lot. Then 179.40. Like, so you see big sizes, but you see big sizes at a lower price.
Did you look at Nvidia in the 1 minute?
That's the 1 minute that I'm looking at.
Okay.
Yeah, we are holding a very clear price right here.
Do you see like somewhat of a
Head
head
and
and
shoulder.
shoulder? Okay. So at
My
the
friend.
one you've got.
Head on.
Yeah, thank you. So we've got 178.50 as a nick.
Yeah.
And at 178.50, there's a big position as well that is building. So just putting it out there.
What price did you say?
178.50.
Yeah, that's okay. That makes sense to me.
Okay.
Right. So that's it for me. I'm Green. Good day. I'm just like, fooling around with NVIDIA. I say to take the train in the simulator. I didn't took it in the simulator, and I take it in the real account, like risking my real profit. But it's okay. I have a lot of confidence on my trade today. Just hope that confidence doesn't smoke me. And what about you, lady? What did you do? I know
Okay,
you took
so-
INTC, CLSK, and
Yep.
what else?
Okay, so INTC and CLSK. INTC, I'm still in there. CLSK, I actually did 1R. I did turn around. So I went long at 14.50
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
got out. I took a profit at 15.05.
Okay.
Which was beautiful, and
that's
got out
great.
at
Wow,
completely
you took a partial right on top.
right on top, and got out completely at 14.75.
Look at you.
That was only a 1R, but hey, it looked good. The other one, I took Snap. So Snap, I was going a long, which I wasn't able to hold the pullback. So I went long.
Which was a big pullback.
That was a big pullback. So I'm glad I got out of there for Snap. So Snap was 1R. And then it is INTC. So INTC, I've seen it as a long. The issue is I did not get a good price. So I went long initially at 14.10. So I got out at 14.08 because I saw there was a big pull. So I went in again at 13.85, and I'm still in that trade right now.
Can you repeat the price?
13.85. Wait, yeah, 13.85. And I'm still in the I had to. I took some profit.
Something is wrong there because the lowest.
Oh, sorry, 13.85. Oh my God, 39.85.
39.85.
Yes.
Okay.
39.85.
There we go. Yeah, you got pretty much the bottom.
We'll see. But yeah. 18.
No, it's good. I know that happened. Like it happened to me a lot. But, like,
Oh,
Just
that
like-
was funny. So SPY right now, just so that we can close on SPY. So SPY seems to be wanting to challenge the 680-220. We will see how that goes. Tape seems to be flipping and accelerating. We do have a slow climb on the RSI. So, and if we're looking at trend lines with SPY, since it made that lower low, and if we draw a trend line, definitely the trend is not broken to the upside yet. So we will see how that goes. It would need to print below the 681.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, for the trend to be broken, it would need to print, yes, below the 681 for the trend to be broken, and that is not seen to be happening right now. So it seems to be on its way to 682.20. If it does have print 682.20, there's enough orders there to go to 682.50.
All right.
So
Okay. So that's it for
that's
today.
it for us.
I hope you have a good one. We're gonna be here tomorrow. And that's it. Enjoy your day. Bye.